Have you ever asked yourself, why can I understand English, but I can't speak it? You watch movies, you listen to songs, you even understand your teacher. But when it's your turn to speak, your mind freezes, your mouth stays silent, and your confidence disappears. You are not broken. You are not bad at English. You are simply missing the step-by-step system that turns understanding into speaking. And today, in this real-life English podcast, I will guide you step by step so you can finally break the silence, speak English naturally, and use the words you already know in real conversations. Let's begin. The first truth you must know is this. Understanding and speaking are two very different skills. Think about it. You can understand a song in your own language, but that doesn't mean you can sing it perfectly. You can understand how to ride a bike by watching someone, but unless you practice, you'll fall. It's the same with English. When you listen, your brain receives. When you speak, your brain must create. Most learners spend almost all their time receiving, listening, reading, memorizing. But they spend almost no time creating, speaking, using, practicing. And that's why they feel stuck. Step 1. Break the fear. The very first step is not grammar, it's not vocabulary, it's confidence. You must break the fear of mistakes. Ask yourself, what's the worst thing that can happen if I make a mistake? The truth is, nothing. People will still understand you. People will still connect with you. Real-life English is not about perfect grammar. It's about communication. If you can make yourself understood, you are already speaking English naturally. Step 2. Train your mouth, not just your mind. Many learners read English, listen to English, but they almost never use their mouth. Speaking is physical. Your tongue, your lips, your breath, they need training, just like muscles in the gym. So what do? Repeat, shadow, copy. Take short sentences and say them out loud. I understand English. I want to speak naturally. I can do this every day. When you train your mouth daily, words flow faster.
Step 3. Start small, grow naturally. Don't wait until you know 1,000 words. Don't wait until your grammar is perfect. Start small. Use simple phrases. Good morning. How are you? I like this. I don't understand. These are real-life English sentences you can use every single day. And as you use them, your brain starts connecting understanding with speaking. Slowly, naturally, you grow. Step 4. Practice in real conversations. Speaking alone is good, but speaking with real people is better. Find a partner, a classmate, or even talk to yourself in the mirror. If you're shy, record your voice. Listen back. Notice how you sound. The secret is not waiting. The secret is practicing. Even 2 minutes a day is more powerful than 2 hours once a month. Step 5. Build the daily habit. Why do some people improve fast while others stay stuck? The answer is simple. Habit. If you make English part of your daily life, you will speak. Listen while cooking. Repeat while walking. Practice small talk at the store. Step by step, English becomes natural, automatic, real. Here's the mindset shift you need. You already understand English. You already have the knowledge inside you. The problem is not ability. The problem is fear, habit, and practice. Once you break the fear, train your mouth, start small, practice daily, and build a habit, you will transform. you will go from silent understanding to confident speaking. Let's practice right now. Repeat after me. I understand English. I can speak English naturally. I use English in real life. Now imagine you meet a friend. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you. What about you? Simple, easy, natural. This is real life English. Remember, every time you speak, you are winning. Every mistake is a step forward. Every small sentence is a victory. So don't just understand, speak. Don't just listen, use. Don't just dream, practice. You are ready. You are capable. You can do this. And if this podcast gave you courage, if it helped you believe in yourself, then please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. Together, we will continue step by step every week to make your English real, natural, and alive. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode.